Alright, today we got the 2014 Chevy Spark. Code is a P0100 and it's aiming us at the mass airflow sensor. You may have a P0102 also. It's going to take you to the same part. There's only 2 bolts to replace it. First thing we want to do is test it. Going to do a quick test just by removing that connector while the vehicle started. So let's head into the interior. We'll get the car cranked up. We're going to have a check engine light. That's going to be the code for the mass airflow sensor. But what we want to do once it's started is head back to the engine bay, and we're going to get that connector disconnected while it's running. So car is running right now. The voiceover is going, so you can't hear the background noise, but it is running. So you got vroom vroom, or my bad, it's a Spark. Wee, 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 wee. And currently it's running. I'm going to pull this off. The vehicle stays exactly the same. There's no change. The idle's still fluctuating up and down. You can't even tell the difference. It didn't even stumble when I pulled it off. So I know that thing's not working at all. We're going to go ahead and swap it out entirely. First things first, you got your connector. Again, move that little gray tab back before you squeeze the black clip, and then you can pull it right off. Next up is just going to be your 2 5.5 millimeter bolts. Get your socket set up. Spin those out. Now you can put a rag or something underneath it just to make sure those bolts don't fall. They're really small, and if you lose one, it could take a while to find. Otherwise, it's going to be a trip to Ace Hardware trying to match one up. So once you get them out, you can pull the part all the way out, toss that thing in the trash, get your new one. You can pause the screen right here, get that part number. It is from Amazon, so that's on you. If you don't mind Amazon parts, you can use that number. Otherwise, I'm pretty sure they can cross-reference that at AutoZone or O'Reilly or the dealership, however you're going to go about accessing your parts. But now that we have it in, I'm just going to spin these in, not super tight, but enough to where I know there's no air seeping out. And there's a little tab on the mass airflow sensor, so it's only going to fit in there one way, and the bolts are only going to line up on one side. So you can't put it in wrong. Get it in there nice and tight, and you're good. Now, right now, we're just double checking the idle. You're going to see it's not jumping around, not fluctuating. We're going to put everything back together. Subscribe.